Hey boys, man, how are you? I hope you're fine, guys. In this video I'm going to be walking with you, showing you how this system works. Alright, this is a complete login session for our one on our employee management system. If you try to log in with the wrong details, you can't access the system. The same applies to that person who can bypass with maybe using a blah blah hash codes or whatever code you may use here. You can't access the system because it was developed with some kind of validation required for someone to access it. Now on the other way around, if I told you happen to come in here and give the right username and password, you can definitely log into the system, which then it has to check whether you really exist and then log you in to the system. This is the sum of the panels within the system. I was giving some demonstration here, so I'm going to just try to remove this off first of all, and then I try to show you what so far we have. But now this one here, if you can cross check, this is the part for delete, edit, and which I'm still working on. Without wasting time, this is a part for adminers. Just go dashboard. The first thing you're going to view is the people who actually in the system, so where you can edit or you can shake them. Then on the other way around, you have the part for department, which then you're going to be having the part for department and also add departments. We shall also have the part for manager admin, whereby you can also go here to add more. Like for instance, if I go here to add Iman, just within here, she's my good friend, and then that's it. I happen to add her there. You can select the user type. You can always go back there to admin. If you go on and try to wrong details, you can't access the person. You can't go in because that system uses not it. The person doesn't match. And if I happen also to give with the right username, mean the person already exists. Like for instance, I already have there one on us. I already have here OSP, and you try to go in here with maybe OSP, and then you give. Although the passwords are correct, you can't access the system because that usually is already taken, so you can't use it. Okay, so the system is full of much of validation. Let me just give in my friend very well because she's my good friend. If I just happen to add her there, and I try to give the password with the same details, and maybe if that's the case, if everything is okay, it will show me here the person's added successful, and here should be seen. The backup password, I think I didn't add that, but if I go back into the system and I try to say back password, which is definitely here, I can simply say maybe original pass. I think that's it. So definitely refresh there. I think you can see it tracks from the real password, and I think you can see. So this is going to be monitored by the admin, not any other system user. So you can simply see that, and you can also print PDF of that given details. Then the other way around, we can also have add register and also view them. You also have the time, blah blah, and also talk about this other stuff. The same thing with the payment, which I'm working on salary, and also this remaining view salary. So otherwise, that's how the system behaves for you guys. And on the other way around, the system also has the part known as one on us the logout, which is take out. When you click there, you check here. I've been logged in as. If you check here, I've been logged in as David, so we can take care of this by going into here on our system on manager. So where they say system status, I can also add that scenario to be really look nice by me adding in here, and I say if row user status equals to 1. What should it echo for us? If user status equals to 1, let me cut this off from here. I just need to make that part to be kinda something. Maybe I can make it strong, or I can just use a div class. So div. So I can just simply say maybe online. And then inside here, I can create a class for that. I can say alert for someone online. That's alert success, like that. Otherwise, there offline. So I think you can see that. So if I try to refresh this session, that's in the dashboard, but if you go inside here, I think you can see it is offline. And I can just drag that same stuff around for all of the other part of the system. After all, it cuts across for these two guys. So here, user type or user status. So if I go back here, I think you can see that's it. Then if you also want to click at log off, I think you can see it logs me off completely from the system. And please wait to log me off, and then poop. And now if you also go back here in the system, you'll find that for sure. I need to check that, because otherwise it will be logging me off complete. And I think my problem is somewhere here. Set where username equals username, and that's it. So that's it for now. Otherwise guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.